What if I told you this Solana meme coin has already reached a $19.5 million market cap? It's currently trading around $6 million. Today we're taking a closer look at TOESCOIN and why the community believes it's bearing up to another major move, and whether this could be a setup for a brand new all-time high. TOESCOIN is one of Solana's most unique meme projects. Instead of following the usual meme coin themes of dogs, frogs, or cats, TOESCOIN embraced something completely different: 10 perfectly polished gold-rigged toes. Its branding is intentionally over the top with slogans like 10 toes, 10 billion market cap. The project leans fully into the joke while building a strong community around the meme. Beyond the branding, TOESCOIN promotes several key features highlighted by the project, including zero transaction tax, no team wallet, and a community-driven approach that aims to keep the focus on holders rather than just insiders. One reason TOESCOIN has attracted attention is because it has already demonstrated significant amount in the market. According to the project, TOESCOIN previously climbed to an all-time high market cap of approximately $19.5 million. Today, the market cap sits much lower at around $6 million. According to the project, one of the biggest catalysts the community is watching is TOESCOIN's upcoming marketing campaign. According to the project, new promotional efforts are being rolled out with the goal of increasing visibility, attracting new holders, and rebuilding trading volume. Marketing often plays a major role in the meme coin sector, where community engagement, social media exposure, and online momentum frequently drive investor interest. If the campaign succeeds in bringing fresh attention back to the project, supporters believe it could help TOESCOIN attempt another run towards its previous all-time high. Another reason people are paying attention is the discussion surrounding Zanshin Capital. According to the statements shared by the TOESCOIN community, Zanshin Capital, a venture capital firm expanding into the crypto sector, is currently discussing about potentially supporting the project. The reported proposal includes up to $250,000 in funding, along with ongoing strategic support. If an agreement is ultimately reached, many believe that institutional backing could increase the project's credibility while helping expand future marketing and development efforts. At this stage, these discussions remain just that, discussions, and investors should wait for official confirmation before treating any investment as finalized. If you're interested in learning more about the project, the process is relatively straightforward. First, you will need a Solana wallet such as Phantom or Backpack. Next, fund your wallet with Solana, then simply visit a Solana decentralized exchange such as Jupiter, paste the TOESCOIN contract address, and swap your Solana for TOES. As always, make sure you're using the official contract address provided by the project before making any transactions. TOESCOIN has already shown it can generate significant market attention by reaching 19.5 million market cap. So if you like the project and you want to stay updated with the latest news and announcements, make sure to check out their social medias. And that'll be all for today's video. Thank you for watching, Crypto Sister community, and I'll see you in the next one.